how to apply for NSFAS and get your student funding in South Africa. Step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in South Africa. 1. Check your eligibility. Ensure you meet the National Student Financial Aid Scheme or NSFAS requirements. Must be a South African citizen. Accepted to or currently studying at the public university or TVET college. Household income below 350,000 Rand per year. 2. Register online. Visit the official NSFAS website. Click on www.nsfas.org.za. Click on myNSFAS and then register. Provide your personal details, ID number, email, phone number to create an account. Verify your account via the email or SMS link sent to you. 3. Log in to your myNSFAS account. After registration, log in using your ID number and password. 4. Start the application process. Once logged in, click on the Apply tab. Fill out the online form with your personal, academic, and financial details. 5. Upload supporting documents. You will need to upload the following documents: certified copy of your South African ID, certified copies of your parents, guardians, or spouse IDs or death certificates, proof of income, payslips or pension receipts for household members, proof of acceptance into a university or TVET college, disability assessment form if applicable. 6. Submit your application. Review all the details entered. Ensure all required documents are uploaded. Click Submit and wait for confirmation. And before we proceed, in order for you to be successful in your application, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 7. Track your application. After submission, you can log into your myNSFAS account, check the status of your application. NSFAS will notify you via SMS or email regarding your application outcome. 8. Await outcome. If approved, NSFAS will cover your tuition, accommodation, books, and living allowance. If rejected, you have the right to appeal the decision within a specified period. 9. Renew your funding if returning student. If you are already receiving NSFAS funding, make sure to apply for renewal at the beginning of each academic year through your myNSFAS portal. Thank you so much for watching, future graduates. Remember, your dreams are valid, and with the right support, there is no limit to what you can achieve. NSFAS is here to help pave your path to success. So take the first step with confidence and believe in yourself. As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So keep pushing, keep dreaming, and let the magic of education guide you to new heights. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more empowering content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Stay awesome, and until next time, keep believing in your magic.